Welcome home to this exquisite 14.5 acre gated farm located in Anthony, Florida. The exterior boasts beautifully manicured 3-board fence pastures with shade as well as new landscaping. Out back you'll find a huge 60 by 60 barn with water and electric. It's been refurbished to include two 12 by 12 stalls with rubber matted floors. And if you didn't think the perfect barn existed, this ideal space features a tastefully updated air-conditioned tack feed room with a full bath and a kitchenette. For additional storage, there is also a covered RV pad with hookups. Connecting this lovely home to an oversized 3-car garage is a beautiful, refreshing breezeway. Let's not forget the concrete pad out back, perfect for enjoying evenings outdoors. Now let's take a look inside this beautiful split plan 3-2 home with vaulted ceilings, crown molding, and open concept living spaces. In addition to an expansive center island, this kitchen also contains granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And as if you aren't already spoiled enough, this lovely ensuite master bedroom comes with its own dream bathroom, featuring his and her closets, dual sinks, tiled walk-in shower, and oh yes, a garden tub. On the opposite side of the house, we have a large laundry room with plenty of storage. Topping off this immaculate home is the short commute to Ocala and Gainesville, as well as the equestrian trails of Indian Lake State Forest. Come see this amazing farm today.